Boom! Man, I'm so pumped up. I got a text from at least 2 of you today, 2 people, and then 1 person before about what we talked about on Tuesday, and that is achieving our goals. So I'm going to zip through this with you really quick, and then we can open it up to questions on this or anything else. But if you allow this to sink into you, it's probably the single biggest thing that's holding you back right now, all right? I'm going to zip through real fast. You guys know the goal sheet. The goal sheet is there. It's on Easton University. If you want it, text me, 720-660-3202. I'll show you how to get to it. You guys are on Easton University. You can get to it. It's right in the goal setting course. That's not what we're talking about, okay? Life goals, you're writing them down every day. You're getting inspired every day. You're going to set this income target. You're going to make President's Club. All this great stuff, like in this sample sheet that I have up here. This AE is going to buy a new Mercedes. She's going to have $50 million pipeline. She's going on a luxury vacation. She's going to be featured on podcasts. And because she's doing things the Easton University way, she's also tracking her tasks. Every single day. She's drinking her smoothie. She's making a LinkedIn post. She's doing her follow-up calls. She's doing 1 podcast outreach. She's clearing her pipeline activities. That is not what we're talking about. I'm going to zip you back through this one more time. What we're talking about is what you felt like when you woke up. You woke up, whether you know it or not, ready to achieve your gosh darn goals, guys. You woke up ready to get stuff done. You woke up ready to take your career to the next level. 70% of your time should be spent every day reaching out and finding new business, either prospecting or getting in front of people or networking on LinkedIn, whatever it is. 70% of your time should be spent prospecting and getting in front of new business. 20% of your time should be spent on nurturing. Notice, guys, I'm trying to start using the word nurturing because I'm not a fan of, I'm just following up. I'm not a fan of, I'm just checking in, right? Nurturing the existing pipeline in your business. That should be 20% of your time. It's plenty of time. When you're skillful and you're using the Easton University process, you don't need a ton of time to make sure that your pipeline is moving forward. 5% of your time, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5% of your time should be spent on the mechanics of closing the existing business in your pipeline, okay? I'll be crystal clear. That's changing some pricing. That's answering a question that legal had. That's getting another decision maker to take a look at the contract. That's closing. Everything else is nurturing, okay? 5% of your time, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5% of your time should be done doing all of the stuff that you're spending 50 to 70% of your time doing right now. Okay, that's what I want to get through to you. That's what I got 2 text messages about today. People started to be cognizant of where they're wasting their time, and they're like, boom, I'm a rock star. You never woke up. Never. You didn't. You never have woke up and said to yourself, you know what, today I'm going to be the fastest one to open a notification from YouTube, IG, TikTok, email. I'll be right there. My phone is going to be right there, right next to me the whole day, just ready to freaking interrupt me. And you know what? I'm its BI you know what. And as soon as it lights up, I'm going to stop what I'm going to do, and I'm going to race every single person in my industry to being the fastest one to respond. Okay? Guys, success isn't hard. It's not. It's just hiding behind all of that stuff that you're distracted by. Okay? All that new stuff a year ago, that remember when the world was coming to an end? It doesn't matter. It's gone. You don't even remember all the stuff you got fired up about. Oh my God, what? You don't even remember all the 10,000 whats. But you know what? You're feeling the distraction. You're not having the income because you were distracted. Your success was just hiding behind all those little distractions. The world was coming to an end 2 years ago, 20 years ago, 5 years ago, and it's coming to an end today. You have to choose whether or not you're going to be distracted. Okay? Nobody ever woke up and said, yet we do this, I'm going to spend 3 hours today. And like I talked about on Tuesday, guys, 3 hours is super generous. Super generous. Go look at your screen time. Okay? I'm going to spend 3 hours today watching a fake person do some fake stuff, and I've never even met them, right? Every second that you spend watching somebody else's life is a second stolen from you building your own. I'm sorry to preach at you guys, but it's the success for us in sales happens in the margins. For success for us in our career happens in the margins. And you'll be shocked at how you'll be distracted and an opportunity right over your head. You don't even notice it. You've never woken up and said, you know what I'm gonna do today? I'm gonna log into LinkedIn because I want to be known in my industry, need to spend 70% of my time prospecting. That's all true. But then you know what? I'm going to see a picture of some 1970s Oakland A baseball uniforms, and it's going to talk about how baseball uniforms have changed to be more XYZ or ABC for the coming. And oh my God, the next thing you know, I'm going down a rabbit hole. And I'm off spending 2 hours looking at Pete Rose, right? Like, it's ridiculous. You never said that, so why are you doing it? Distractions don't look dangerous, guys. You know what they look like? They look like, here's what a distraction looks like. It looks like a really friendly, really nice post on LinkedIn, right? Looks like a really friendly, really nice coworker, okay? They don't look dangerous. They're wolves in sheep's clothing. They don't look dangerous until they destroy everything you could have built with that time. You never woke up and said to yourself, you know what, today I'm going to spend 3 hours bitching, complaining, moaning about the economy, about my boss, about my company, about my competitor. You guys are trained sales professionals, so you need to realize the power of negotiation. You need to realize the power of being a good closer. You do because you're coming to Easton University. So just realize this. When you complain, you're just arguing for your limitations. So there's that, right? There is that. When you're complaining, you're closing the deal for your limitations, all right? I'm just going to throw one more at you here, all right? You never woke up allowing anyone and anything to steal your attention, yet it happens. You never woke up saying to yourself that that was going to happen. I just want to let you guys know this. I want to leave you with this. Not everyone and everything deserves your time, especially when you're building something big. I'm going to repeat that. I talked to you about this on Tuesday, guys. I enjoyed my kids' hockey game. They were up 8-1. They finished the game 8-7. I don't know what happened. The other team almost came back and won. I was there. I'm not a jerk of a dad. But the whole rest of the day, I knew I had to go to a hockey game because I'm not going to miss that. I didn't let anything else distract me on Tuesday. Nothing. Because I knew I had to be there for that game. I'm building something big so that my kids will have a different life than I had. And I'm cognizant of the fact. And I'm not perfect. But I want you guys to be cognizant of the fact too. If you're building something big, my advice to you would be to spend 70% of your time prospecting and growing your business, getting in front of new people, making sure people know who you are, raising your hand. 20% of your time should be nurturing your pipeline. Hey, Chad, Matt Easton over here at Easton Logistics. As promised, calling to see if it makes sense for us to take over those 4PL routes for you so you're not having to deal with cross-border issues and are able to grow that Canadian line an additional $9 million. I'm on my mobile, 720-660-3202. That's only 20%, right? You don't have that many deals in your pipeline. You should only take 20%. 5%, hey, wanted to make sure you had the contract so we can take over the 4PL logistics program for you, allowing you to open up Canada. I'm going to resend it to you right now. I'm on my mobile, 720-660-3202. 5% of your time closing those deals. Guys, how much time do we give up to bull junk? How many times do we let the stupidest stuff distract us? And how many times do we get emotionally invested in stuff that doesn't matter? I just wanted to preach at you one last time on this because I'm getting text messages from the people that are getting, and they're like, man, I had no idea I had the best day I've ever had last week, okay? That's what we can do when we get locked in. That's what we can do when we're focused. So with that, I'll open it up to questions.
Hey, my name's Matt Easton. If this is your first time seeing my sales videos, I want to help you out. I want to give you my closing mini masterclass. It's normally $300. Click the link here or in my bio. I'm going to cover all the costs for you. You are going to close more deals. You're going to have more fun. You're going to make more money. You're going to hit your goals in life. And I'm going to cover all the costs for you. Do we just become best friends? I think so. Click the link. I'll see you on the other side.